Hey, what's up guys, Jeff CarBuoy here, and this is 2025 Toyota Tacoma, and this one I'm gonna show you all the fuse box location, and this one comes with the 2 fuse box location. Looked for the interior fuse box, but I couldn't find it. If your 2025 Toyota Tacoma has an interior inside the cab fuse box location, let me know the location. Take a picture, let us know on the comment. Otherwise, this one will have 2 fuse box location inside the hood. Let's see. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, you haven't subscribed it yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now this is a 4-cylinder engine. On the driver's side you find this box. On top of it is a relay fuse. You pop these tabs up, oh, there is another tab right here, and there we go. That is a fast fuse set right there. Got some fuses and relays, and then on the back of the cover you got all the fuse information. There we go. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think on the comments. And thank you guys for your support. For those who have already subscribed, that's how you put that back the cover. And now on the driver's side, this is where you'll find the battery, and then in front of the battery there is this box and the intake, and also this one says fuse and relay. We pop this tab right here, and this one, the box comes open. You find another set of fuses and the relays. So it has this one and that on that side, and then on the back of the cover you find there is some fuse spares right there. This is a fuse diagram right there. It breaks down all the fuses, their functions. And now just the same thing, put the cover back together, line up the tabs, and there we go. Those are the 2 fuse box location on this 2025 Toyota Tacoma. Let me know what you think on the comment section. Subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.